Hello students. So in our previous class we were solving exercise 1C. Okay, up to question number 7 we have done. Now you will take out your copies and your books and we will solve the remaining exercise we will solve in this class. Okay, you will see question number 8. Let us solve question number 8. What it is given there, the question is asked, use the distributivity of multiplication of rational numbers over addition. Okay, you need to use distributive property over addition. See, first one it is given 7 by 4 into 5 by 8 plus 7 by 4 into 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2. So you need to solve this one. Okay, distributive property means this 7 by 4 it is multiplied to 5 by 8, then 8, then again 7 by 4 multiplied to 1 by 2. Okay, these things we have learned. Now see, how will you write this one? You will write equals, okay, you will use one bracket, 7 by 4 into first 5 by 8, okay, then 8 because this is over addition, yes or no, then again 7 by 4 into 1 by 2. Understood? Now next step, multiply denominator into denominator, numerator into numerator, then 8, then multiply. Okay, now 7 5s are 35, yes or no, and 4 into 8, 4 8s are 32, plus 7 1s are 7 and 4 2s are 8. So we need to add these two terms. Now see, LCM of 32 and 8 will be 32. Why? Because 8 divides 32. See, 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8, yes or no, so 8 into 4, the LCM will be 32. Okay, since this is 32, so it will be 35 into 1, okay, plus since 8 4s are 32, so 7 into 4. Understood? Next step, 35 plus 28 divided by 32. If you add this, then how much you will get? 8 plus 5 13, 1, then 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So 63 by 32, this is your answer. Understood? This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, let me do one over number 2 you will do, I will do number 3. Look, question number 3, what it is given? It is given minus 2 by 5 into 3 by 8 minus 25. Okay, this one we have to solve. Now see, first step, first you will multiply minus 2 by 5 into 3 by 8, yes or no, then minus is here, so you will write minus, then again minus 2 by 5 into 25. Understood? Now multiply numerator into numerator, then denominator into denominator. Okay, then again multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 5 into 1, why I have written 5 into 1? I have written because 25 means 25 by 1, yes or no, so this is the numerator and 1 is the denominator. Understood? That's why I have written here 5 into 1. Okay, now if we solve this one, 2 3s are 6, yes or no, but negative is there, so it will be minus 6, then 5 8s are 40. Okay, then similarly this one negative sign will come here, and 25 into 2 means 50. Okay, 25 into 2 means 50, so it will be minus 50 and 5 will come here. Okay, next step, minus 6 by 40 and negative it will become positive, yes or no, 50 by 5. Now take the LCM of 40 and 5. Okay, if you find out the LCM of 40 and 5, you will find that it is 40. Why? Because 5 divides 40. Okay, so 5 into 8, LCM is 40. So if you solve this one, LCM will be 40, so minus 6 into 1 means minus 6, plus 5 is 40, yes or no, so 50 into 8. Okay, so if you solve this one, you will get minus 6 plus 5 is 40, 400 by 40. Okay, so if you solve this one, then 394 by 40. Okay, so this is the answer, but this can be reduced to the lowest form also. Okay, so these are all, folks. I think you have understood. Okay, number 2 you will do and you will submit. Don't forget to submit. Question number 9. Question number 9 is very easy. You need to find the multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. The first one, it is given 6. Okay, 6 means what? 6 means 6 by 1, yes or no? So what will be the reciprocal of 6 by 1? So we'll write, so multiplicative inverse of 6 is 1 by 6. Understood? So you can write multiplicative inverse of 6 is 1 by 6, yes or no? See, then number 2, minus 23. Minus 23 is given. So what will be the multiplicative inverse? So we'll write, so multiplicative inverse, okay? So multiplicative inverse of minus 23 is minus 1 by 23. Why minus 1 by 23? Because minus 23 means minus 23 by 1, yes or no? Now if we reverse this one, then you will get 1 by minus 23, yes or no? But negative sign, it is not written in the denominator, so we'll take the negative sign into the numerator. So I think you have understood. Okay, then number 3, 11 by 20. This is very easy because it is already given in fraction, yes or no? So you'll write, so multiplicative inverse of 11 by 20 is, just write the reciprocal, so 20 by 11. Okay, so these are easy. Then I think the rest you can do. Look at number 7. Number 7, what it is given? It is given 4 by 5 into 15 by 8. Now to write the multiplicative inverse, first you need to solve this one. Okay, multiply denominator into denominator, then numerator into numerator. Now see, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, yes or no? Then 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So we will get 3 by 2. So therefore you can write multiplicative inverse of 3 by 2 is, what will be the reciprocal? 2 by 3. Easy, yes or no? Look at number 7. Look at number 8. We have done already. 7 we have done. Look at number 8. It is given 0 into 2 by 9. Now see, when we multiply any number to 0, then how much, what will be your answer? 0. Okay, now what is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 0? Now pay attention to this one. Look, see, 0 means 0 by 1, yes or no? But if we write the reciprocal of 0 by 1, we have to write 1 by 0. But we know that any number, when it is divided by 0, then the answer is what? Then the answer, it becomes not defined, yes or no? So 0 into 2 by 9 is equal to 0. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 0? So whenever you get to write multiplicative inverse of 0, so you will simply write multiplicative inverse of 0 is not defined. Okay, you can simply write multiplicative inverse of 0 is not defined, because it is not possible to write the reciprocal of 0. Because if I write the reciprocal of 0, I have to write 1 by 0, and the answer will be not defined. Understood? Okay, question number 10, match the following is given. Column A and column B are given. See, first one, it is given 1 by 3 into 0 equal to 0. So this is number C, that is property of 0. Property of 0 means whenever you multiply any rational number to 0, your answer will be 0. Okay, number 2, it is given minus 2 by 5 into 1 equal to minus 2 by 5. So this one is property of 1. Property of 1 means what? Rational number, any rational number, whenever you multiply to 1, then you will get the same rational number. Understood? Then number 3, it is given 1 by 4 into 4 equal to 1. Now the name of this property is what? This is multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse, because whenever we multiply one multiplicative inverse with the another one, that means the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4 is 4, or 4 the multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 by 4. So the result is always 1. Understood? So this is multiplicative inverse. Okay, the next one, minus 6 by 7 into 2 by 3 equal to minus 4 by 5. Okay, so this property, it is known as, what is the name of this property? It is closure property. According to closure property, whenever any operation is performed between two rational numbers, then the answer that we get is another rational number. Okay, then number 5, it is given 0 into 7 minus 7 by 8 equal to minus 7 by 8 into 0. So you can see that in this case the positions of the numbers are exchanged, okay, but the results will be same. Then this property is known as commutative property. Understood? So these things we have already learned. Okay, look at question number 11. 11 it is given divide. Okay, the first one, it is given divide 5 by 9 by 15. Okay, now we'll do some questions of division. Now you need to pay attention how you need to divide. See, 5 by 9 by 15 means 5 by 9 divided by 15. Okay, whenever there is a division sign there, you will convert that division sign into multiplication, but this number you need to write the reciprocal of that number. Okay, understood? Division, you need to change it into multiplication, but the number by which you are dividing, in this case 15, yes or no? So this number you need to write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So 15 means 15 by 1, yes or no? So the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 15 would be 1 by 15. So this division, it's changed into multiplication, but you need to write the reciprocal, that is 1 by 15. Understood? Okay, next step, multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Now see, 5 1s are 5, then 5 3s are 15, yes or no? So you will get 1 into 1, 9 into 3, so 1 by 27. Understood? So this is your answer. Okay, so we'll solve 2 3 more, then you will understand. Look, number 2, it is given 7 by 18 by minus 14 by 51. Okay, that means 7 by 18 divided by minus 14 by 51. Now you need to change this division into multiplication, so you need to write the reciprocal. Okay, that, or you can say multiplicative inverse. So reciprocal of minus 14 by 51 is 51 by minus 14, yes or no? But we don't write negative in the denominator, so we'll write it in the numerator. Okay, multiply 7 into minus 51, 18 into 14. Okay, now see, 7 2s are 14, yes or no? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. And next step, multiply numerator into numerator, 1 into minus 51. Okay, and 18 into 2. Okay, if we solve this one, then we'll get minus 51 by 18 to the 36. Understood or not? See, this sorry, 51, it is divisible by 3. Okay, and 36 also divisible by 3. Why? If I divide 51 by 3, then how much I'll get? See, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, yes or no? This one, 51 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3, 21, 3 7s are 21, so 17. Understood? And 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so you will get minus 17 by 12. Okay, this is your answer. Understood? So you need to be fast while you are calculating. Okay, so divisions, I think you have understood. Okay, I will do another one, number 5. The rest you will do. Okay, it is given minus 24 by 50 divided by minus 4 by 75. Okay, see, that means minus 24 by 50 divided by minus 4 by 75. 5. Now again we need to convert the division sign into multiplication. We'll write multiplication, but this will be changed. Okay, so it should be 75 by minus 4, but we don't write the negative in denominator, so we'll write the negative in the numerator. Understood? Next step, multiply numerator into numerator, then denominator into denominator. Okay, now see, we can do one step here. Minus and minus, when we multiply we get positive, yes or no? So see, we can simply remove, you can simply write 24 into 75 divided by 50 into 4. That means you can remove the negative sign, because we know that negative into negative, it always becomes positive. Okay, now see, 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, yes or no? Then 50 and 75 both are divisible by 5, because 5 10s are 50, then 5 15s are 75, yes or no? Again 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so in the numerator we got 6 into 3, and denominator we got 2 into 1. Okay, so 6 3s are 18, and 2 1s are 2, yes or no? Again see, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, so our answer is 9. Understood? So we got the answer is 9. So I think division is clear. Okay, we'll do the last question, that is evaluate. MCQs I will not solve. MCQs are for you. Okay, MCQs you need to solve the previous exercise also and this exercise. Understood? Because you need to learn by yourself also. And MCQs, most of the MCQs I have observed, they are based on concepts. So if your concept is clear, then only you will be able to solve. That's why you need to study properly. What I have taught in the class, you need to study properly. Okay, I have not skipped any part of your lesson. I have taught you everything till now. Okay, so the MCQs of each exercise you will solve, I will not solve. Okay, now look at question number 12, that is evaluate. The first one I will do, second one is for you. It is given 5 by 9 divide by 15 by 36. Okay, divide by minus 5 by 6. Understood? So this one we need to solve. We'll solve it step by step. First 5 by 9 division, make it multiplication, write the reciprocal. Okay, you will leave this as divide only. We'll do that after we solve the first bracket part. Okay, multiply numerator into numerator, then denominator into denominator, divide by minus 5 by 6. Okay, now see, we can make it more simple. Leave it in this way, 5 into 36, 9 into 15, change it into multiplication, so it will become minus 6 by 5. Okay, because it will be, because the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 will be 6 by minus 5, yes or no? But we will not write the negative sign at the denominator, we will write it at the numerator. Now see, 5 and 5 can be cancelled, yes or no? Because all three are multiplication, all are multiplication, so we can cancel. Then 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, yes or no? Then 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So in the numerator what we have left? We have left 4 into minus 2, and in the numerator we have left only 5, because both are 1, here also 1, here also 1. Okay, understood? So it will become minus 8 by 5. Okay, so this is your answer, minus 8 by 5. Number 2 you will solve by yourself. Then in our next class we are going to learn how you can find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, and I think this chapter will take 2 more classes, then we can move on to the next chapter. Okay, let us discuss slowly, but you need to understand each and every concept. Okay, because without understanding the concept it will be difficult for you in the higher classes. So this